Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here no available a text box. Now we want to insert a text box, go to the home menu. Now we can see here many options. We find and select the draw text box option. Now we can see here the draw text box. Here included a text, draw a text box anywhere. Now we click this. Then we get a plus icon. Now we click and drag on our mouse to create a text box. Now we can see we create a text box. Now we added text in this text box very easily. You can move this text box, otherwise you can add color. Go to the text box option, you can choose any color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.